A cheesy flavor without the dairy. It's a must for mac and cheese. It adds umami to stir fries, and it can even be sprinkled on popcorn for a tasty snack. Nope, it's not cheese. It's nutritional yeast. And in this video, we're going to take a look at what makes nutritional yeast so special, including its savory flavor, how it's made, and why it has more than twice the amount of B vitamins than even brewer's yeast. Let's get started. Nutritional yeast is a deactivated yeast, meaning that it cannot cause bread dough to rise because the yeast cells have been killed. This type of yeast is often used in the production of foods such as cheese, beer, and bread. But before we talk about the amazing benefits of nutritional yeast, let's take a look at its history. Nutritional yeast was first discovered by a scientist named K.C.W. Salomon back in 1919 when he found a strain of inactive yeast that had an intense cheesy flavor. This was actually quite by accident. He was actually researching the use of yeast as a vitamin supplement when he came across this new cheesy-tasting yeast. Since then, it's grown in popularity as a healthy alternative to cheese for those who are lactose intolerant or vegan. In addition to its unique flavor, nutritional yeast also has several potential health benefits, which we will discuss shortly. But for now, let's just say that it's a good source of protein, fiber, and B vitamins. Now let's move on to the main topic of this video. Why should you start taking nutritional yeast today? First off, it's got a savory flavor that'll make your taste buds sing. It's great for seasoning or sauces, and it can even be sprinkled on popcorn for a tasty snack. Plus, it's a must for any mac and cheese lover out there. Just a little goes a long way when it comes to adding flavor to your food. And if you're looking for a healthy alternative to cheese, nutritional yeast is the way to go. Another reason you should consider adding nutritional yeast to your diet is its high protein content. 1 tablespoon contains around 8 grams of protein, making it a great option for vegetarians, vegans, or anyone looking to increase their protein intake. Plus, it's a complete protein containing all 9 essential amino acids, so you know it's doing good things for your body. But that's not all. Nutritional yeast is also packed with fiber, with 1 tablespoon providing around 4 grams of this essential nutrient. This can help keep you feeling full longer and aid in digestion, making it a great addition to any meal. And if that wasn't enough, nutritional yeast also contains a variety of other nutrients, including iron, potassium, and selenium. So now that we've covered the basics, let's dig a little deeper into the cheesy flavor of nutritional yeast. What makes it taste so similar to cheese? Well, it's all in the amino acids. When certain amino acids are released during the growth of nutritional yeast cells, they produce a cheesy flavor and aroma. These amino acids are also responsible for the cheesy smell of Swiss cheese. So you know that nutritional yeast is really delivering on its promise of cheesy goodness. It's important to note that not all nutritional yeast is created equal. Some brands may use lower quality ingredients or processing methods that can affect the final product's flavor and nutritional content. That's why it's always important to read the label and choose a product that's made with 100% organic cane sugar, like ours. Our nutritional yeast is also non-GMO and gluten-free, making it a great option for those with dietary restrictions. Plus, we use a unique growing process that helps boost the cheesy flavor and nutrient content, so you know you're getting the best possible product. One of the reasons our nutritional yeast is so popular among health-conscious consumers is because it's a deactivated yeast. This means that it won't cause any unwanted side effects like bloating or gas, which can sometimes be caused by active yeast products. Plus, it's safe for those who are sensitive to gluten, yeast, or wheat. And the best part is that it's super easy to use. You can add it to mac and cheese, sprinkle it on popcorn, mix it into sauces, or use it as a seasoning for stir fries and more. The possibilities are really endless. Speaking of adding to food, did you know that nutritional yeast goes well with almost anything? It's a great addition to soups and stews, and it can even be used in salad dressings. For a vegan Caesar salad dressing, simply combine nutritional yeast with garlic, lemon juice, Dijon mustard, and tahini. for a creamy, cheesy dressing that's sure to please. And don't forget about the cheesy flavor that makes it so versatile. Whether you're looking to add some zest to your cooking or want to try a healthy alternative to cheese, nutritional yeast is the way to go. Now let's take a look at some of the ways that nutritional yeast can benefit your health. First up, it's a great source of B vitamins. Nutritional yeast is a true superstar when it comes to B vitamins, containing more than twice the amount of these essential nutrients compared to brewer's yeast. In fact, just 1 tablespoon provides over 30% of the recommended daily intake of B1, B2, and B3. These vitamins play a crucial role in energy production, brain function, and cell metabolism, making them essential for overall health. So if you are feeling sluggish or burnt out, nutritional yeast could be just what you need to get your energy levels up. But that's not all. Nutritional yeast is also a good source of other essential vitamins and minerals. It contains a significant amount of vitamin C, which is important for boosting the immune system and protecting against damage from free radicals. It's also a great source of iron, which helps transport oxygen throughout the body, and potassium, which is important for maintaining healthy blood pressure. Additionally, nutritional yeast is rich in antioxidants, which can help protect against chronic diseases such as heart disease and cancer. So, by incorporating nutritional yeast into your diet, you're not only getting a delicious and versatile ingredient, but also a whole host of essential nutrients that can help improve your overall health. And here's a fun fact. The B vitamins in nutritional yeast are actually more bioavailable than those found in animal products. This means that your body can absorb and utilize them more easily, making nutritional yeast a great choice for vegetarians and vegans. Let's take a closer look at each of these B vitamins and the benefits they offer. As you can see, these B vitamins are essential for a wide range of bodily functions, and nutritional yeast is a great source of each of them. So whether you're a health nut or just looking to add some variety to your diet, nutritional yeast is definitely worth a try. With its cheesy flavor and impressive nutritional profile, it's no wonder why this ingredient is becoming so popular. So why not give it a shot? Add some nutritional yeast to your next meal and experience the cheesy goodness for yourself. Your taste buds and your body will thank you for it.